Dear students, yesterday what we have studied, the identity a minus b whole cube, which is nothing but a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. And I have given some homework problem, exercise 4.5, sixth one. Did you try, children? I said I will do, if it is difficult, one problem. So I will go through the fourth problem, exercise 4.5, sixth main problem. In that one I will do the fourth one. Okay, it is write the following cubes in the expanded form. You have to use this form, then you have to simplify. Okay, so it is x minus 2 by 3 y. It's a cube. How much it is? Now, before doing the problem, write the identity once again. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This is the identity we have to use now. Now write your problem below the identity, that is, instead of they have given square bracket, usual bracket, no problem. Method is same. X minus 2 by 3 y, it's a cube. How much? Before doing, I said for your reference, write a is equal to, in place of a we have x in the given problem, and in place of b we have 2 by 3 y. No need to write minus because minus is there, separate sign, two formula are there, then don't write the sign. So 2 by 3 y, 2 by 3 y, right? Now see the identity and write a cube. A is how much? X cube minus b cube. B is how much in the problem? It is 2 by 3 y. This full you have to take. This is the full b. So it is cube minus sign 3 into a. A is again x into b. B is how much? 2 by 3 y into, little big bracket, I will write this bracket now, a minus b. A minus b, in your problem it is x minus 2 by 3 y. 2 by 3 y. So if this is a very important step, without mistake, single mistake, you have to write it. So you have to know each problem, write the identity first and write the given problem, because what is a and what is b, so that you will write correctly according to the identity. Now if you write this step correctly, then it follows the remaining step in the correct manner. Now x cube is x cube only minus 2 by 3 y cube, we have to find out. 2 by 3 y cube is equal to 2 by 3 y into 2 by 3 y into 2 by 3 y, right? Now multiply all the numerical values in the numerator. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then y into y into y, y into, how many times y multiplied? 3 times. So 3 power 3. Denominator 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So you will get 8 by 27. Then y cube minus, you can multiply, then you can divide by 3, or first only you can divide. It is 3 2s are 6, divided by 3, right? 6 by 3 you will get, but instead I will divide first. 3 1s are 3 1s are, then I will multiply. Okay, 1 into 2 is 2, x into y is x y. Understood? Now the bracket write as it is, x minus 2 by 3 y. Now this open the bracket, because still we can simplify x cube as it is minus 8 by 27 y cube. Now you know first minus sign will come, first term, then plus sign will come, because minus into plus, no sign is plus, minus into plus is minus. Now only one arithmetic number 2 is there, 2. Then x into x 2 term multiplied, so x to the power of 2, and y is only one term y. Now minus into minus, now plus sign. Now arithmetic number is there here, here also arithmetic number. 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, denominator only 3, no other number here. Then x, only one x, no x to multiply, write x, but y into y here, y into y, 2 times y is multiplied, so power is 2 for y. So this is all unlike terms, we cannot add or subtract. This is the last answer. This is the expounded form of the cube value in the expounded form. The product is x minus 2 by 3, y whole cube is nothing but, this is the answer, x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2x square y plus 4 by 3 x y square. I hope you understood the problem. Now children, if numerical values they will give to find the cube value, like yesterday we did one example I will take. Find the product, find the value, how they will give? Evaluate, or evaluate means find the value. Find the value of 999 cube using identity. You have to use the identity without multiplying 999 into 999 into 999. We have to use identity and we have to get the answer, the product. Now here cube is there, so we have to use either a plus b cube or a minus b cube. Since there is only one number, we have to make 999 as split it into two numbers, so that when you simplify the two numbers, you should get 999. So which number is most suitable? If it is 100,000 etc. numbers are there, to multiply how many times also, very easy, count and write the number of zeros, no need to multiply. So I will use 1000 minus 1. 999 is nothing but 1000 minus 1, if you do, you will get 999. So what I will do, 999 cube is nothing but 1000 minus 1, it's a cube. It is same as 1000 minus 1 cube. Now I have two terms, a minus b whole cube. Now I can use in the form of identity to get the answer. So 1000, I will write the identity. This is the identity I have to use. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab minus 3ab into a minus b. Right? Now write your problem. 1000 minus 1 cube is equal to, now what is a in this problem? The a place value is 1000 and the b place I have 1. Right? Now write a cube. A cube is in the problem 1000 cube minus b cube. B cube is 1, so 1 cube minus 3 into a into b. 3 into a is 1000 into b is 1. Now big bracket, for this I will use a minus b, 1000 minus 1, a is 1000, b is 1. Now simplify, what is the value? Cube is 1000 into 1000 into 1000. 3 times we have to multiply. I said very simple, 1 into 1 into 1, all answer is 1. Here 3 0, here 3 0, here 3 0. Totally how many zeros? 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Three, 6, 9. This much you will get. Minus 1 cube is 1. 3 into 1, 3 into 1000. How much? 3000 minus 3000. 1000 minus 1, 999. Write the same number. Minus 1. Now I will multiply this and I will write the answer. Okay. Into 3000. 999 into 3000. Multiply by 3, then write 3 zeros in the answer. 3 nines are 27. 2 in hand. 3 nines are 27 plus 2, 29. 2 in hand. 3 nines are 27 plus 2, 29. Then how many zeros here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you will get which sign? Minus into plus minus. Minus you will get 2009, not 2000, sorry children, 29 lakh 97,000 we will get. Now simplification, multiplication, everything completed. This is no sign, it is positive number. Here minus 1 negative number, here minus this number. There are two negative numbers are there, they are same group. Okay, so you have to group it together, add it together, then the last step, one positive number, one negative number, you have to subtract. So write this number as it is once again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you add 1 to this, you will get minus sign only. You will get same number with the 1 extra. So this you have to group it together, these two numbers. Okay. Now subtract one positive number, one negative number, you have to subtract. If you have the difficulty, write separately because you should not make mistake. Minus your number. What is your number? 1 0 0 7 299. Properly you have to write below the number. Okay. Now we cannot subtract from 0 1, right? So where is the digit here? 1 is here. So you bring here, it become 10. Take 1 from 10, bring 1 here. So now it becomes 9 here. So it become 9 here. Same manner 10, if you bring 1 here, it become 9. This become 9, 9, 9, 9 till all 9. So after 10, when you bring here, it become 9 and but it become 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9 here. So 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 2, 7. And here 9, 9. 1 is not there. We have taken 1. Okay. So this is the number, last answer, and bigger number is plus, so plus will come. What is that big number? It is 99 crore, 70 lakh, 2,999. This much big number we will get. Okay. So this is the way we can use indirectly to get the answer, the product, not direct product it is. Indirectly we have used other methods using identity, we get the product of the arithmetic numbers. Okay. Now, if you see the exercise 4.5, same exercise, there sixth main, I hope you will complete the third one also today if you not did, all of you. Some of you may did it, whatever it is, try to complete the sixth main and see the seventh main problem. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. Here 99 cube is there, 100 minus 1 cube, do it and get the answer. Then 102 cube, yesterday we did that example, so you try once again to get the answer. And here last one, 998 cube is given, you take 1000 minus how much? Instead of 1, you have to take 2 here, then you will get your answer. Now, before we will do the 8th problem from the exercise, it is reverse of the identity we have used, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, or they may give a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. They will give that one, they will give the product at the expanded form they will give, and they expect us to say which is a and b. You have to find out either a plus b cube value or a minus b cube, how much we have to find out. So, it is reverse process now. The expanded form we have to bring it the number, factorize or them, it is called the reverse of a plus b whole cube, a cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, that expanded form. Now, while giving a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, if you want to write a plus b whole cube, you have to find out the process, that reverse process is called factorize, write in the form of cube, etc. they will give you. So, how to proceed or how to do this problem? Okay, identity is same, but the reverse manner we have to move. So, I will do 1 or 2 problem, then we will finish that 8th main problem. Okay, so I will take the problem from the exercise 8th main and I will explain, you will understand. Okay. So, 8th one, exercise, same exercise 4.5. See, they won't give find the cube, I said no, they will say factorize. Factorize each of the following. So, you have to factorize. First one, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So, which are the factors? Which cube if you do, you will get this product, this answer. Now, here which form they are given, the problem, I will write it and you should be able to write. They have used this identity all plus. So, which identity they have used? They have used a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This format they multiplied and wrote the another format, same format. If you simplify this, what you will get, a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a, 2 times a multiplied. So, 2 will come in the power, b is only one term. So, b plus Again, if you multiply 3, only one a, b into b square. So from the same identity, the expanded simplified form, the last answer is this one. So they have given the answer, the expanded form in this form. So your work is to find a plus b whole cube. How much? A plus b whole cube. Right? So what we have to do is now using this identity, we have to able to write this in the same pattern. Like this pattern, we have to try to simplify this, then we come to know which is a, which is b, then write its cube. Okay. So what we have to do use is this, we have to use a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This format they are given, so you have to write this identity. There's still one more step, a simplified step you will get. This step you have to write the given problem, then find a and b. Okay. Now write your given problem. I don't know this one, so I will write below here 8a cube plus how much? B cube only they are given, plus 12 a square b plus 6 ab square. So this is your problem. This I don't know, a plus b cube. Now what we can do, this is equal to now cube form you have to write. The full one single letter you have to use, single entity you have to use, so that its cube will become 8a cube. Which number you should take cube so that you will get 8? Which number, arithmetic number cube is 8? 2 cube. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube is 8. It is 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. So to get 8, I have to take 2, then a cube is a only. So full close it. This is now full a in the problem. 2a is a in the problem. So 2a cube. When you do 2a cube, you will get exactly 8a cube. B cube is b cube only. Plus, now in the identity, I have to write 3a square b. 3. Now what is your a square? A is, now what is before writing that one? Now in this one, I wrote this 8a cube as 2a whole cube plus b cube. Now if you use this identity and your problem, now what is in place of a, what number I have written? Both are cube, first term. So in place of a, this number is there, this full number is there. So what is that number? So in the problem, in the formula it is a, but in my problem I have written 2a. In the same manner it is b in the problem, and my problem also it is b. So it is b only, b place it is b only. Right? Now a cube, b cube plus 3a square. Now what is your a now in the problem? 2a. 2a, it's a whole square into b. B is how much? B only. Plus, don't write 6, you have to write 3. 3 into a. A is how much? 2a into b. B is b, then it's a square, b square. Now we will check whether it is right or wrong, whether you will get 12a square b by this number and 6ab square, this whether you are get it or not, I will show you. We have write correctly. Now 3 2a whole square b. Now what is the answer this one? 3 into 2a into 2a, that is the meaning, square, right? 2a into 2a whole square into b. How much? Number, arithmetic number you multiply. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. A into a square, and into b. See, it is there in the given problem. Telu a square b. So this telu a square b I wrote in the form of 3a square b. I will get this one 3a square b. So I wrote in the same pattern. Now I should write a 3ab square, 3ab square, whether I will get a same number or not. Sorry, this one I should get. So this is the 3ab square. So I will write this one. This is 3ab square. I have written 2ab square. Now simplify this. 3 into 2a into b square is b square. Now what is the answer? 3 2s are 6 into a into b square. See, 6ab square, 6ab square. So I have not changed anything. Same answer I wrote in the pattern of 3ab square. This I wrote in the form of 3a square b. So whatever problem they are given, just I have simplified into a cube plus b cube into 3a square b. 3a square b I wrote plus 3ab square I wrote. So same pattern I wrote. When I wrote same pattern, what is the original factors of this answer? It is a plus b cube. In the same manner, when I wrote in the same pattern, it's a factors, it's the original first number. What is that? A plus b whole cube. But in my problem, a is 2a plus b is b only. It's a whole cube I should do. Then only I'll get this answer. So the given problem I changed into cube. Factorize. These are the factors. 2a plus b, one factor, 2a plus b into 2a plus b. Three factors are there of 2a plus b. So this is the last answer. So what you have to do is write the identity in the last expanded form, and given problem write it in the same pattern. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Then the given factors are a plus b whole cube. If minus comes in the problem, I will do one problem. A minus b whole cube if they are given, what is the answer you will get in the last step? It is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b, but this one you will get a plus in the identity. So in the same manner you simplify. I will do one more exercise problem, you will understand. Okay. So one more problem we will do. Minus value I will take the second one with the minus sign is there. I will do difficult one. Okay. Fourth one I will do. Third one, which one you want, children? Little bigger number I will take. Third one I will do. 27 p cube, 27 minus 125 a cube minus 135 a plus 225 a square. Now minus sign is there here, can you see? Only last one answer is plus, here minus will come. So which identity I am using now? Minus identity, that is a minus b whole cube. What is the identity? It is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab minus a minus b. This is the format we know, right? Now it is still simplified, one more step. That answer we have to use. So I will write the simplified one. Next one, a cube minus b cube minus 3. This I have to multiply minus 3 a into a square b plus 3ab square. This identity I have to use now. So write the problem, write the identity. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now your problem, write down. It is 27 minus 125 a cube minus 135 a plus 225 a square. Now try to write it in the cube form. 27 is 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So it is 3 cube minus 125 is 5 cube. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So it is 5a is also there, 5a cube. Then minus, how to write it? 3a square b. So better write here. Your problem a is, now you got a cube. A is 3 and b place I wrote 5a. So it is 5a. So it is, now you have to write which manner? 3a square b. 3 into, what is your a? A is 3. 3 square. Outside also you can write 3a square into b. B is 5a. Plus 3a b square. 3a is how much? A is how much? 3a is 3 into b is how much? 5a. It's a b square. 5a square. So I wrote in the same manner. You can check it by taking this number and finding the answer. It is nothing but 3 into 3 is a 9. 5a. You will get 3 9s are how much? 27. 27 into 5 is 135. A into a. And a. 135a you will get. Then this one. What is the answer? So 135a I got. Then this one. Which one? And more. 3 into 3, 5a whole square. It is 3 into 3, 5a into 5a is 25 a square. So if you multiply, 3 3 is a 9, 9 25 is how much? 225 a square. See, you got this number. So I wrote in the form. So last answer is a minus b whole cube. A is 3 and b is 5a with the minus sign and it's a cube. This is the last answer. Okay. So try today, children, the 8th main problem, second one, 4th one, 5th one is in the fractional form is given. Try it, you may get it. Okay. Thank you.